Hello, they're going on me. They push me. Listen to me. If you are done with your accreditation, you can stay on this line. If you have not done your accreditation, just move to the back and meet the officials.
I bet no, make you move on and move go from now. Okay, I bet no, let me take the election. Okay, if you want start line, start for line. If you want Agbada, if you want start line, carry money dey go.
After my start, I want.
They try one vote out corruption. You want to go practice corruption? They want vote out corruption. Wait for see blue shirt. I don't understand. See,
in less than 5 minutes, we are starting the election process now. Just relax, okay? Thank you very much. And
please, I heard that you are the presiding officer for this election. Please, this is 200k. This is what I from my party. Please do whatever you know you can. Please, please.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, please. Please, stop this. With due respect, what is all this? You guys are back again with all these gimmicks. Do you know for the past 5 years, I graduated from the prestigious Abu Salim University, Ekpoma. I read mechanical engineering. Here I am. I'm supposed to be working in some companies. Here I am, being presiding officer in INEC election. You think I'm happy? Okay, you want to bribe me with 200,000 for the next 4 or 8 years, so you guys can continue doing all sorts of evils you guys have been doing. In short, I'm not in for this. Please, I'm here to do my job, and I will do my job well, diligently, and accordingly. Please.
Since you cannot do this, there are other people who can do it for me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Listen, I know you can do the needful for me in this election. Please, this 100,000 naira for you. Please help me out. Please, I'm begging you. Please, do whatever you know you can.
My friend, I don't know what it is. Do you know how many of my brothers are lost in the bush? Do you know how many of my colleagues are in the bush? They cannot afford 3 square meters. The lives you have destroyed make the city ungovernable, make everybody angry. We are supposed to be in the barrack, relaxing and waiting for a duty call. Instead, we are now in the streets doing the work of a police because of make the city ungovernable. Now you want to do this again? Will this money pay for the blood you have wasted? With this money, correct those children that are living without fathers. See, my friend, if you don't take your time, I will deal with you. Come, my friend, get out of here. Down.
Officer. Thank God you are here. I know your own is very simple. Please, it is 50,000 naira for you.
50,000 naira?
Just do whatever you know you can.
Excuse me. 50,000 naira.
Please.
Yeah?
Just for you, it's for you.
Do you think we are fools?
I don't understand what you mean by that.
I have been in the police for over 4 years now, and my salary is 60,000 naira. And you want me to continue with 60,000 naira for 8 years? If you don't live here now, I will disgrace you and arrest you. Live here now. I said live here.
Officer, my tenure is...
I said live here.
Oh God, you carry your money, they go more.
Just they move. You know they move.
Wait again now, guy.
Wait, is it? I'll give you 15,000 naira. Other parties are giving 10,000 naira. I'm doing it just because I see you as one who can do this for
So I should collect 50,000 naira to sell my voter's card.
Please.
Are you saying I should sell my conscience as a man for 50,000? Are you saying that I should sell my dignity as a Nigerian for 50,000 naira?
Jesus.
With 50,000 naira rectify the problem of ASU strike? With 50,000 naira reconstruct the road that you have destroyed? How about the lives that have been destroyed? How about children without parents? How about children that can never afford school? No good hospitals. With 50,000 naira do that? How about hunger, famine? With 50,000 naira do that? How about destroying houses? With 50,000 naira rectify that problem? How about all the evils you have done to this country? With 50,000 naira rectify that problem? I'm a graduate and I'm a first class graduate. No employment for how many years now? With 50,000 naira solve my problem for 4 to 8 years? With 50,000 naira feed my family for another 8 years? With 50,000 naira bring back mother? With 50,000 naira bring back mother? How about the killings in our war? How about kidnapping? How about insecurity? That we can no longer sleep with our 2 eyes closed. We are all now vigilantes in our areas. Is it? Don't touch me. Don't touch me with your filthy hands. Don't touch me with your wicked hands. Your contaminated hands that have destroyed this country for years. You want me to sell my conscience for my pocket? How large is my pocket to feed me coming from you for another 8 years? It is time we get it right. And we are ready to change the narrative these times. And we are ready to play the fool to fool the fool. It will no longer happen again. That will be marginalized in our own countries. We are no longer myopic. And we are no longer so gullible to accept what you people have done to us. You make us unemployed so that you can employ us to destroy others. You make us hungry so that you can feed us. You are back again.
My friend,
I'm not your friend. And you are nobody's friend in this country. Because you are evil, man. Evil. Please take your filthy money and your filthy hands out of this place.
My master. Oh, but the people say they want to vote wisely. Or God say, may I come meet you. May you go there with your boys. Mona go carry the ballot boss. Mona teach them how to do this. Anybody will do any of the same. Mona fall up. This one over 1 million naira for you and your boys.
Hey, come down there. What did they do you? They say they want vote wisely. Now we know wise.
Now we be mumu.
Now we be the foolish people now.
Now make who your concern.
Now we they keep people when wise. Now we be the foolish people when go there alive. So that the foolish will be ruling over the foolish. About this 2023 election, we all don't wise.
But this thing for God,
Embarrassing.
You know wise.
Aba, if you no take time, now you go be the last person when we go for before this country go better.
For the 2023 presidential election, to vote, this is the PDP logo. This is the APC logo. And this is the Labour Party logo. And we have other parties with their different logos. So know your logo and vote wisely.